Hi everyone, I'm Steve Stoller. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to conserve water and save money. It's a simple program called Water My Yard. Did you know more than 50% of landscape water is wasted due to overwatering, inefficient watering practices, and broken or poorly maintained irrigation systems? Water My Yard is a free tool that helps you determine exactly how much to water. A healthy yard needs less water than you may think. It only takes a few short steps to begin receiving automated emails or text messages. The data is collected from a network of weather stations and rain gauges. Water My Yard takes the guesswork out of determining when and how much to water. It's so easy. All you have to do is create an account and answer a few questions about your irrigation system. Just go to watermyyard.org. You'll be glad you did. We'll see you soon for another Stoller on the Street.